Hey, what's going on, guys? Khord Master here. So let's take a look at the first few chords to Tupac's Changes, which is also the first few chords to the song that Tupac's Changes sampled. Does anyone know the name of that song? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so it goes a little something like this. All right, so first chord. This is a inversion. It's a second inversion, starting on A. It's an A minor second inversion, isn't it? Then it jumps to E minor, D sus4, C sus2. Again, A minor second inversion, E root, D sus4, C sus2. See if you guys can do that. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what song you guys want to hear the chords to next in the comments below. Peace.